Greetings, it's Thursday, June 10th, 2021. I took a drawing that I had framed in this frame. Some years ago I took that drawing out because I liked the frame, also with this kind of door-like handle I had attached to it. And I went through all my various Holocaust history books. And I selected this photo to draw here, which I've done so far in pencil. We'll see how it turns out with the inking. Child survivors of Auschwitz on the day of liberation, January 1945, photographed by Soviet soldiers who liberated the camp. It's in the book, The Pictorial History of the Holocaust, published by Yad Vashem. And so we'll see if the inking works out. Then this will go in the upper right of the wood base of the mosaic drawing combo, to be continued.